Hello friends, today I will tell you about the MIT App Inventor, how to create a area of a square. So to make a area of a square, I have to go to my projects and start new project, and I have written a name area of a square. So here in the designer view, I should tell you how to step-by-step explanation. And next, what is, we should take a text box. Text box I have taken, and here don't, in the hint, don't write anything. And next, in the button, means this button is those who means I have to click the button and it will show me the area of the square. So here I should write area, and I bold these blocks. And next, clear block I have to clear button I have to take. Clear I have written here front bold and 20%. Okay, front size 20%. And next I should take a label which should display our answer. Here I should don't write anything, and here I should write 30. Okay, so this is your design blocks. What I have taken, you just see here. What are the text box, button 1, label? Okay, you have seen. And next to blocks view. In the block view, I have to take at first the when button one click from the button. Okay, when button one click, label 1 set, label 1 text. What is, yeah, here it is, set label 1 text to what, if, see, one thing I have to explain you. If the area of the square means what, a side into side is the area of a square. We all know that side square is the area. So side square means if we have to multiply double times the text box text. And what I have to here, text box, no, yeah, text box, here text box 1 text I have, yeah, here it is. I should duplicate this, oh sorry, duplicate this, and I should duplicate this, I should delete. Okay, here fix, and here fix, means this text box 1 into text box 1 text, so 2 into 2, that is 4. And go to the designer view, and here numbers only has been fixed. If I see, yeah, here it is, numbers only. I should tick mark this sign. So again go to the blocks view, and numbers, here numbers should get the text box. And if I don't, means see here designer, if I don't enter any word or thing in the text box and click this area button, so what will, this app will not run properly. So to make it, we should go to the variables, initialize global name. I should get, that is q1. Okay, q1 to what is text, one text, empty text. What, please type number, please type number, oh, sorry, yeah, here it is, please, so 1, no, here exclamation sign I should give, yeah, please type number. And now go to control blocks. Here from if else statement I should take, and if text, here should I duplicate this, if text from here 4th number is empty, text box 1 text, yeah, is empty, text box 1 text, I should duplicate this. If text box 1 text is empty, so what should, here should delete these blocks, 3 blocks. If text box 1 text is empty, then what should the label to be text, this get number, means print this, please type number to the text label, and else you should print the label text. And for the clear button, here is the formula for the area to print the area. And to clear the button, when button 1 clicked, level 1 text, what is, yeah, here it is, set level 1 text, oh god, yeah, set level 1 text to null. Okay, and next, what is, set text box 1 text also to null. Okay, here I should duplicate this, yeah, here it is, and call text box 1 request. From the text box 1 you should get the fourth block, call text box 1 text active. This should activate the text box 1 to request you to write something in the text box. So this is your blocks, this is a designer view, or should, and you can see once here what are the things I've taken. This, here it is. Okay, so minimize, and next from the emulator. So here, see, screen 1 you should see in the mobile view, what is screen 1, and if I put 2 and I should click the area 4, if I don't want this type of things, means this type of answers, so you should what to do, text here join, and from here, and I should put this to here, and what text, the area of the square is, the area of the square is, oh sorry, I've mistakenly putting a space, 2 space. Okay, so if here join the 2 text means the area of a square is the answer. Next go to emulator, and what should I write, 2 area, the area of the square is 4, and if I clear, all are cleared, and 12 area 144 clear, that is 67 area 449. Here is the area of the square. So if you like my video, this video, then please subscribe my channel and like this video also, and you will also get new videos in my channel about the MIT App Creator blocks. Thank you for watching this video.